my friends. Welcome to Conversations with Arundhati. Bite sized episodes for busy people who want to learn about staying healthy, life hacks, endometriosis, and women's health from me and other experts in the field. I also will be sharing fun snippets from my life as I learn and unlearn about life in general. Let's dive into today's episode. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Conversations with Arundhati. I am your host, Arundhati Ashok. Today, we are talking about a very important aspect of goal setting, which is rarely looked into, that is limiting beliefs. Because as you know, we only have a few more weeks to the end of this year. But I believe we still have enough time to end this year with a bang. So why not look at our goals with a different perspective? So today we are joined by two expert coaches, dynamic personalities to help you and I do just that. I am happy to introduce Ranmali and Fazla, co-founders of Butterfly Fit Training Partners. They provide hands-on training and coaching solutions to corporates across the island, help solve day-to-day business communication challenges by developing their human capital. These two entrepreneurs add their uniqueness and a pinch of their kind of spice to their workshops and programs. They are both passionate about travel, fashion, driving long distances, and Netflix. Ran and Faz takes life easy and reminds each other to focus on the brighter side of life. So let's say hello to today's guests.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing? Welcome.
Doing great as always. And how are you?
I'm doing good. Super excited for today. Thank you so much for joining. So let's jump straight in. Yeah?
Sure.
So my first question is, what are limiting beliefs?
So Arundhati, limiting beliefs are thoughts, convictions, or even opinions that we believe are the absolute truth. And these come in different shapes and sizes, but what they do is that they prevent us from growing, achieving our goals, and don't allow us to take the risks we wish we could take. In short, limiting beliefs make a plan for us to fail.
That's right, Faz. So when your mindset is defeated, you are defeated. So here are some examples of limiting beliefs. I'm not worthy of being loved. I'm not smart. I'm not pretty, or I'm not talented enough. I could never open my own business. There you go.
Oh, great. Thank you. Yeah, really. Perfect. So how are these formed?
So limiting beliefs are mostly formed by us. It comes from us. In our youth, we shape who we are and we view the world around us. And limiting beliefs vary from person to person, but they typically stem from a few sources, which include how we are raised, our education, and other life experiences.
Thank you. Okay, great. So how do we know that we are holding limiting beliefs?
Good question, Arundhati. First thing is listen to the way you talk, self-talk. And if there's a lot of negative self-talk, that means these are based on your limiting beliefs. Next thing is the choices you make. What kind of choices do you make? Are they healthy, wholesome? If not, these are choices that are formed because of limiting beliefs. The last thing is look at your dreams. Are your dreams just dreams? That means that your dreams were prevented by limiting beliefs. And if you're living this life, it means that you have been consumed by limiting beliefs.
Yeah, that's powerful. Yeah, that really hit. The dreams will be dreams. Yeah, thank you for that. So that leads me to the next question, which is how do you overcome these limiting beliefs?
To overcome limiting beliefs, we have a 4-step guide. I'll take you through 2 steps, and then Ran will take you through the others. So the first one, step 1 is choose a topic that you want to address. So like we discussed before, limiting beliefs span across many topics in different shapes and sizes. So pick the most urgent one that kind of holds you back and prevents you from accomplishing some very important goals. Perhaps you feel like a confident businesswoman on the inside, but when it comes to living it and showing that identity outside, you struggle to overcome because of this imposter syndrome. So the topic you choose could be, this is what you thought in your head, all right? I could never open my own business. That could be your topic. Other topics could include maybe things that you kind of experience in your love life, friendships, family, relationship, fiancés. So then a topic you choose could be, no one will ever want to date me because I'm divorced. So you choose a topic you want to address, step one. Moving to step two, you need to write these down. So pick your most important topic and write it down. And think about how it has strongly affected your days every day. What has happened because you believe in that? What has held you back in which part of life? What have you used as excuses to get away from things? And what patterns have you noticed that you tend to fall into? It could be even not exercising or not even taking nutritious food. I mean, it could lead you there. So take time, evaluate past behavior, how you acted. It could be negatively or something you never ever expected to do. And also think about where it originated from. So for example, if we're going back to the I could never open my own business example, you may think about, okay, what if I mean, the questions you would have had would be, what if I can't sell these products? Oh, I need a big capital. I don't know how to make a business plan. I don't even know what taxation is. And how do I go into a boardroom and, present this product in front of a group of men, or maybe even women if it's a man who feels this way? All right. Moving on to the other example I quoted before. No one will want to date me because I'm divorced. And thinking behind that would be, what would people say if I start, looking into dating? Why would or who would want to go out with a divorcee? I don't want to get hurt again. I've been through enough. I don't want to get hurt again. I'm not good at having relationships. I always mess things up. So these are things that we could list down because these are experiences we've had, and these experiences or these thoughts have led us to negative behavior, experience, all of that. So note them down. Ran will take you through the next step.
All right. So before removing these limiting beliefs, what you need to look at is, how has it served you in the past? Now, in the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fudge, the author says, we like to imagine ourselves to be victims of our own limiting beliefs. Now, what happens with the limiting beliefs is that for a certain period of time, it has protected us. It has kind of given us shelter, and it has made us feel a little special because we have been able to get the sympathy of people around us. But it comes to this situation that this does not serve me anymore, right? You get fed up of playing the victim card or telling yourself, oh, poor me, because deep down that this is not going to help me in the long run. This is the day you decide to become true to yourself. And on that day, you actually let go of these limiting beliefs. Now, take the example of a businesswoman or wanting to start a business with limiting beliefs, with all those what Fazla said, you end up just being a wantrepreneur, not an entrepreneur. And you end up blaming the economy, the government, and also you look at other people and find even small things as faults, and instead of even feeling happy for them. So the day you decide to understand, or the day you decide that these limiting beliefs no longer serve my purpose on earth, that's the day you start moving your direction to the right path. And what you have to do is write your limiting beliefs and reframe them. How do you reframe them? For example, I'm not worthy of love. You reframe it like, I'm worthy of love, affection, a wholesome, healthy lifestyle. I'm the best version of myself. I'm ready to attract a partner who is on par. Let's say you keep telling yourself, I'm not ready to start a business. I cannot be a successful entrepreneur. Reframe this. I'm ready to venture on my passion, to take risks, show the usefulness of my product or services. I'm here to serve a purpose. I'm ready to take challenges. I'm worthy of a successful business. So reframe this, and we call these affirmations. And you have to keep repeating these affirmations. So don't think, just by saying this once a week, you're going to change your mindset. It could be something you'll have to do for the next 1 month, 3 months, or even 12 months, as long as it takes. Keep repeating, because this has been something that has kept you from reaching your potential. You have to rewire the system. So write them down, reframe it, and cross out the old limiting beliefs so that you have a new set of limiting beliefs to live your life. And don't forget, repeat, repeat, repeat. Repeat these affirmations, and you have now created a beautiful, successful life for yourself.
Wow, love that. I'm actually a fan of affirmations. So you're right, we can't do it just once. We have to repeat, repeat. Love it, love it. That was really great. Really useful information. So now we're moving on to the rapid fire round, which is just some silly fun. So nothing serious. Just tell me the first thing that comes to your mind. Yeah. So Fazla, the first question is, what was the last Netflix movie you watched?
It's going to sound silly.
No problem.
It was Never Have I Ever.
Oh, okay, awesome. What about Ranmali?
So I don't remember the name, but it's something to do with love letters from the past. This girl finds what?
Right,
I
yes,
can't remember the name.
The next question, Fazla, is describe yourself in 3 words.
I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my work. So perfectionist. Donkey smile. Third one, fashionista.
Nice, nice. Ranmali, how about you? 3 words.
In between entrepreneur and wantrepreneur sometimes.
Okay.
I think I am ageless and I'm limitless.
Yes, good, good.
And another word is, I think I'm Wonder Woman.
Yes, you are. Both of you are. Awesome, love it. Okay, the next one is, Fazla, when I dance, I look like, fill the blanks.
Oh my God, when I dance, I look like
Donkey.
Donkey. And have you ever watched Shrek and how Donkey dances? That's exactly how I am.
Is it? Awesome. How about Ranmali? What about you?
Mushu from Mulan.
Imagining now. Love it. Fazla, the next question is, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
10 minutes.
Yeah, fast.
Without my shower, 10 minutes to get ready.
Right, okay.
So that could be 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours.
Question, awesome. Fazla, next question. What was the favorite book growing up? What was your favorite book growing up?
Jungle Book.
Awesome. Ranmali?
Could be the Harry Potter series.
Could be. Okay, yeah.
Or the Lord of the Rings.
Right, okay. Thank you so much for joining. Honestly, it was really useful. I had so much fun with the rapid fire also. And I will make sure that your links are down below in the description so people can reach out to you. And hope to connect with you soon. Thank you so much. Guys, have a blessed day. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arundhati. Thank you.